ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Khasi Hills District ke kong Isawanda lalu haga lai poterik ubnai nailor arajar arpuai kalapan benapat ba ya ke jingpen kha jong ke Bosco Integrated Development Society ya ke kinhon jong ke khna ki ban sakren ya ki jinge bagi ya kendo haga imlang ka salang ha ki babon ki liang ya ke ni ke project jong ke Bosco Integrated Development Society la tipru kum ka child friendly Shillong ha ka bakane ka kinhon jong ki khna kan salong kum ka jingking ka ban pun lenti ya ka jinge jong ki khna red la ka long ha ka puli puthi ha ka umbam umdi ha ki kamsha thambor bat ki wei di ki mat ki jura ki bakta ya ka jingem ka baban la kasngi jong ki khna ren Haga jingelang ke balalong ha parish hall jong ka ying mane Divine Saviours Parish Nong Thamai. Le don langru u executive director jong ka child friendly Shillong u Reverend Father Genesis Walang ka project director officer ka kong Ibab Senrem bat kiwei.
This is such a timely occasion. I think the launching of this project which we have heard about is something which I am really inspired by. A child-friendly Shillong, a child-friendly city. I congratulate the efforts of all concerned. I learned that it has not been something which happened overnight. There have been constant talks and engagements right from 2015, as Pak Thomas was saying, and numerous deliberations have taken place. I congratulate the BIDS as well as all its collaborators, associated partners, GIZ, all the sponsors, both local, national and international, as well as allied organizations, the NCPCR, Childline, the District Child Protection Officer, and other various departments who we have heard will be playing a very critical role to ensure convergence of efforts and activities to ensure a child-friendly city. I was asking Thomas that is it something new, has it ever been done before, and he informed me that this is the first of its kind. So it really is such a momentous occasion, I think, and I hope that it will be the start of a long and sustained journey to ensure the rights of our children, to ensure that priorities are put on top, that their issues are addressed, and most importantly, as was pointed out, that they get a forum to speak, that they get a voice to speak out about their concerns. I believe that all stakeholders should be, all persons and all departments should necessarily be stakeholders for children's rights and children's welfare. It is not only the lookout of the District Child Protection Officer or the NCPCR, but whether it is the district administration or the police or various developmental departments, we have a role to ensure that children are safe, they are protected, and that they are happy.
I also request the children to come forward for the reading of the poster.